Hi everyone, welcome to the session. So in this particular session, we are going to learn Python arithmetic operators. So first we will see what is an operator, then we will see what are the arithmetic operators available in Python, then we will design a simple calculator. Okay, in Spider we are going to design a simple calculator. So let us start with the session. Okay. So what are operators? Operators are special symbols in Python used to perform operations on variables and values. Say for example, you have 10 and 20, you want to add up. So how we will do 10 plus 20. So we will get what? 30. So plus is what? It's a operator. Similarly, 10 minus 20. What is the answer? Minus 10. So this minus is a operator. So similarly, we have that these are all arithmetic operators. Now we have so many operators like arithmetic operators, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator and bitwise operators. So these are all operators are there. Apart from these, there are many other operators are there that we are going to see later. Now we will concentrate what? Only on arithmetic operators. Okay. Now in arithmetic operators, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, okay, and the modulus is represented as percentage. So coefficient, that is the integer division, then 2 star is exponent. Say for addition plus 4 plus 7 11, okay. Now you have multiplication here, 6 into 6 36, multiplication is represented by star here, okay. Now division is represented by slash, 30 divided by 5 is 6. Now here modulus operator is percentage is modulus operator. So 10 mod 4, that means when we divide 10 by 4, what is the result we are going to get? What is the remainder we are going to get? When you divide 10 by 4, we will get remainder as 2. Okay. So when we divide 5 divided by 3, okay, what is the remainder? It is 2. So similarly, 10 divided by 2, what is the remainder? 0, right? 10 mod 2 means you will get 0 remainder. So here 10 mod 4 means we are going to get 2 as the remainder. So 18 divided by 5. So it is 3 point something, right? The decimal part will not be there. So this is an integer division. The coefficient is nothing but integer division. 18 divided by 5. Whatever the value we get, the decimal part we are going to discard it. Okay. Now this is 3 to the power of 5. Power we are going to represent in the form of star star, 2 star, okay, exponent, 3 to the power of 5, that is 243, okay. So let us start now. We will go to the Spider and we are going to learn a simple calculator, okay. Now we are in Spider. I have written a program name I have written here. Write a program to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, integer division, modulus, okay, then exponentiation of on 2 integers. So let us see one by one. Let us take one variable called a is equal to, so let me take int of input function. I will take the input function, enter a, okay. That means we are going to enter the first digit, fine. So similarly, I will take b is equal to, so let me copy the same thing here. I will say enter b, fine. So I am asking the user to enter the value of a and b. If you don't know what is input function, so please watch the previous video. And this is type conversion. We are converting, this will give the string that we are converting to integer, fine. Now I will take here c is equal to a plus b, okay, a plus b. Now let me print addition colon, okay, then I will say c here. So let me run this program. Now it is going to ask me what? Enter a. Let me enter 10 here and enter the value of b as 20. Now I am going to get what? Addition is 30. When we add these two, we will get 30. Similarly, I can do for subtraction, okay. So let me take subtraction. So let me take here, let me take R2, okay. I can take any variable. I will take R2 here, a minus b, okay, a minus b. Let me print this, same thing I will copy here so that I don't have to write. So I will say subtraction, okay. I will write R2 because a minus b, we are telling R2, fine. Now next is, let me run this and I'll demonstrate. Let me close the console and run it again. Let me write 20 for A, B as 10. So you can see addition is 10 and subtraction is 30. So similarly, see this, what is this? We are using plus operator here and we are using minus operator. These are all arithmetic operators. Okay. Now once we have done this one, let me copy this same thing over here and I will give as R3 and I will give, instead of minus, I will give multiplication and I will display here R3, then subtraction, then multiplication. So what is the result of multiplication? If we multiply A and B, what we are going to get? Okay. So let me run this. So let me write 20 and 10 and you can see we got addition 10, 30, subtraction 10, 20 minus 10, 20 into 10 it is 200. So similarly, like I can write here, let me copy this, I'll write here, then I'll write here division, then this will be my R4, variable is R4, let me write R4 result 4, then similarly I can write here double division. Okay. So let me write here R5, this is my R5. Now here I need to change, right? This is division. This is division. Fine. So let me take out the spaces, because take out the spaces here. Okay. Now this division, this is integer division. Okay. Let me write here integer division. Okay. Let me remove this M here. Integer division. Okay. Then what we have, let me copy this. Then I will have A mod B. Okay. A mod, sorry, I need to say what? Percentage. A mod B. So this is my R6. I need to change here R6. Okay. Then R7 I will take. Okay. Next is what? To the power, A to the power of B. Okay. That I can represent here star star. So let me write this as R7 and this is my R7. Okay. Let me run this program. This is integer division. This is what we have done? Modulus. Okay. Or reminder. Let me write reminder. Okay. Reminder. Okay. Then here I will write exponent. Okay. I hope it's okay. This is R2, R3, R4, R5 is my integer division, R6 is my modulus or the remainder, exponent is R7. Let me run this, let me check whether it's correct or not. Let me close the console, let me run this. I will give 5, A as 5, B as 3, let me enter. Now I can see here addition is perfect, no problem. Subtraction 5 minus 3 is 2. Multiplication 5 3s are 15. Then 5 divided by 3. What is that? 1.667. Okay, correct. Division. Now integer division. 5 divided by 3 is 1. We know this. This is the answer. But we are going to remove the decimal part. This one. Okay. 2 slashes means what? Integer division. Only 1 will come. The decimal part will be discarded. Remainder. So when we divide 5 divided by 3, what is the remainder? We get 2. Then exponent 5 to the power of 3. We know that 5 into 5 into 5. That is 125. So in this way we can able to calculate things like we want to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So this is actually a binary operator. We call it as a binary operator because it acts upon two operands. You can see A and B, two operands are there. So plus is acting upon this one. So similarly you can see this percentage is acting upon A and B. Fine. So this is slash slash means integer division. Okay. So these are the operators, arithmetic operators available. Okay. Thank you very much.